Probably one of the key aspects of national competitiveness is the ability that we will have in the future, but of course also in the present, to join together the research that we can bring in the university and join this kind of research with the ability of companies to develop some new products that will not be massively product in Italy probably, but will be quite new to be good enough in all over the world. Research and innovation is of course one of the main aspects of all the idea of a new world where we can bring new ideas and new products all over around in the general aspect of being part of the world and being no more only Italians on that. We started working on vision-based systems some years ago, and today we are developing a lot of research projects with other companies in our territories that are now able, thanks to our innovation and to our new ideas, to be part of the world of vision-based systems, to analyze customers inside the retail environments, to work on security in ambient assisted living, in smart cities. And this aspect is quite new because we started discussing about artificial vision some years ago, and started some years ago also to convince people that this new kind of sensor can bring a lot of data using only one sensor and can bring also a lot of new ideas to the companies. There are a lot of interesting examples on that. Of course, the collaboration between borders is one of the key aspects on that. We have a lot of PhD students working with companies and also working with other countries, traveling around, and this is always a way to bring back a bag full of ideas and full of new concept, but most of all full of a new way of working in research and innovation. The idea of working together is probably one of the best way to start working on innovation and research. Probably one of the problem of the Italian structure on that is that we are still too far between industry and university and the research centers, and we have to be more involved together. We have probably one of the best experiences our PhD courses that now are partially financed by financially supported by our industries in the territory, and that this is a way of doing something together that can also join together the needs of the industries with our new ideas and the new ideas of young guys working with us. Just two main examples. One of these is in medical data, and we are now describing one of the first European standards on medical data that we have in the European Union. We are collecting a lot of data in a cloud-based system coming from the territory, from medical aspect, but also on the social aspect of this data. The second example is in retail environment, and the ability to know a lot about the customers inside the retail using vision, using sensors in a new idea of intelligent retail environment is another of the leading project of our department, and is also bringing our ideas all around the world. We are making installation in US, in Spain, in UK, in France, and so on. We are, of course, joined with a lot of other universities around the world in the IPE region with robotic aspects from Split to Albania. And of course there are a lot of connection with the Swiss. We had a PhD together in Lausanne and at the ETH in Zurich. But we have to do much more in joining together also our small industry, small and medium enterprises with the other connection that we have all over Europe.